Hi children, welcome to our math class. In the previous class we learned about exercise 5.7 and in that exercise find out the quotient and remainder. Okay children, today I am teaching about divisions of 4-digit numbers. Divisions of 4-digit numbers. That is the exercise 5.8. The first bit is that divide the following and verify the answer. First of all, divide and verify the answers. Already verified in the exercise 5.6, quotient and remainder. Okay. Now start. The first one problem is the 4857 divided by 5. Here the dividend is the 4-digit number. See Nana, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit numbers are given here. 4857 divided by 5. So now divisor is the 5. The dividend is the 4857. So now here 5 is the divisor. So now write here 5 table, 5 0 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 10 is 50. So now here take 2-digit number, that is the 48. 48. Here see 48. Nearest to 48, see find out in this table 45. How many times 5 is the 48? 9 times 5 is the. So 5 9 is 45. So now do the subtraction. 8 minus 5 is the 3. 4 minus 4 is the 0. Okay children. Now this digit bring to down. That is the 5. 35. 35 find out in this table here. How many times 5 is the 35? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 5 is the 35. So 5 7 is the 35. Now do the subtraction. 35 minus 35 is here 0. More one digit here. That one is the 7. Bring to like this down. That is the 7. So nearest now find out the nearest 7. See Nana, 5 only. How many times 5 in this table? 1 time 5 is the 5. So 5 1 is the 5. So subtraction 7 minus 5 is the 2. Remainder is here 2. So verify. What was here next to verify the answer. Already I explained principle. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now right here dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divide. In this problem, what is the divisor here? 5. Divisor is the 5. Quotient is the 971 plus remainder is the 2. So now 597. 5 into 971. See now 971 into 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. So here 5 3 carry. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3 48. So 5 into 971 equal to 4855 plus 2. Next this one add here. 5 plus 2 7. As this 5 here 8 4. The total answer is 4857. Okay children, this is the first problem. Okay. Next verify. Next we go to same dividend 4857. Okay. Next second problem. See Nana. second problem, that is your homework. Next, third one problem. What is the third problem? 1533 divided by 2. So divisor is here 2, dividend is the 1533. So now write here 2 table. Okay. 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 20, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So now take 2 digit 50. So nearest number is here 4. How many times 2 is the 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2 is the 14. 2 7s are 40. So now do the subtraction. 15 minus 14 is the 1. 5 minus 4 is the 1. 1 minus 1 is the 0. Now this is bring to down, that is the 13. Now find out the nearest 13 in this table. See Nana? Here 12. Here 14. Don't take here 14. 14 is the above number. So 12 is the below number. So now take only below. That is the 12. See how many times 2 is the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 is the 12. So 2 6 is the 12. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is the 1. 1 minus 1 is the 0. Okay. More one digit here. Bring it down. That is the 13. Same. The nearest 13 is the 12. So 2 6 is 12. Now do the subtraction again. 3 minus 2 is the 1. 1 minus 1 is the 0. Okay. Next, here see Nana. Divisor is right here. Divisor 2 divided quotient is 766. Remainder is 1. So now write principal dividend. DIVI. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the principle. Already I explained in the previous exercise 5.6. See Nana, divisor, how much here divisor is the 2, quotient is the 766 plus remainder is the 1. So this one, first of all multiplication, after this one add. So 766 into 2. 2 6 are 12. So 2 here 1 carry. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 3 here 1 carry. 2 7 are 14. 14 plus 1 50. Okay. So now 1532. Now add this one plus 1. So now let this add. 2 plus 1 is a 3. 3. 5 as is here 1. The total here 1533. Okay children, like this all do problems. Next third problem is completed. I will explain fourth one problem. Okay. See Nana, fourth problem. Third one is the fourth one problem. See Nana, 5398 divided by 7. Here divisor is the 7. Dividend is the 5398. Here divisor is the 7. So now write here 7 table. 7 zeros are 0. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. So take 2 digit only. That is the 53. Now find out here nearest 53 in this table. 49. 49, 56. But now take only 49. How many times 7 is the 49? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 7 is the 49. So 7 sevens are 49. Now do the subtraction. Here see, 3 minus 9 is not possible. So take like this borrow. 10 plus 3 is the here 13. Here 5 become a 4. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is the 4. 4 minus 4 is the here 0. Now this digit bring to down 9. So now 49 find out in this table here. How many times 7 is the 49? 7 times 7 is the 49. So 7 sevens are 49. Here subtraction. 49 minus 49 is a 0. More one digit, that is the 8. Now take, now bring it down, that is the 8. Here see Nana nearest 8. The 7. How many times 7? 1 times 7 is the 7. So 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is the 1. So now right here divisor is 7. Quotient is how much quotient? 771. Reminder. How much here? 1. Remainder is the 1. Now write principal. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the principal. What is the divisor? 7 into how much the quotient? 771 plus how much the remainder? 1. So first of all these two numbers multiplication. After this one add. So now here 771 here into 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 sevens are 49. So 9 here 4 carry. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 4 53. So now 5397 plus 1. So here add 1. 7 plus 1 is the 8. 9 as it is here. 3 as it is here. 5 as it is. So 5398. So now see we got the same as it is dividend. 5398. So children, next fourth is over. Fifth and sixth, that is your homework. Seventh one also homework. Now eighth one problem. Next 8 problems in 9688 divided by 8. So divisor is here 8. Dividend is 9688. So now write 8 table here. 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 8. This is the 8 table. Here also take 2 digits. But 96 here up to 80. 96 greater than to 80. So not possible. So here take only one digit. That is the first digit is 9. So now find out nearest 9 is the this table 8. How many times 8 in this table? 1 time 8 is the 8. 8 ones are 8. So 9 minus 8 is the 1. This one bring to down 16. So find out in this table 16. Here 2 times 8 is the 16. 8 twos are 16. So 8 twos are 16. Subtraction 16 minus 16 is a 0. Okay. Now This digit bring to down, that is the 8. How many times 8 is there in this table? 1 time 8 is the 8. So 8 ones are 8. Minus 8 minus 8 is the 0. More one digit, that is bring you down 8. Here also. How many times 8? This table. 1 time 8 is the 8. So 8 ones are 8. Here also subtraction 8 minus 8 is the 0. Next, now write here divisor. Divisor is the 8. Quotient Q-U-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient is 1211. Remainder is 0. Now write principle. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the principle. So how much the divisor is here? 8. Quotient how much? 1211 plus remainder is here 0. So first of all this multiplication. 1211 into 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Here 1 cat. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 9. See here now. 9688 plus 0. Any number add the any number with 0, we get the same answer. So 9688 plus 0 is the same 9688. This is the 0. Okay. This is the 8th problem. Next 9th, 10th that is 2 problems are your homework. Next 11th one problem. Okay. Next 9th, 10th, 11th 3 problems are your homework. Next 12th problem, last problem is divisor is here 8008. Okay, the divisor is 9, so now write here 9 table. 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 zeros are 18, 3 are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. The 8 2 digits. That is the 80. Now find out the nearest 80 in this table. See Nana, 72 and 81. So now take only 72. How many times 9 is the 72? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 9 is the 72. 9 8s are 72. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 2 is not possible. See Nana, 0 less than 2. So take borrow. 10 plus 0 is the 10. Here 8 becomes 7. 10 minus 2 is the 8. 7 minus 7 is the 0. Okay. Now this 0 bring to down. Here also 80. So here also 9 8s are 72. Subtraction. Here also 0 minus 2 cannot subtract from 0. So now take borrow. 10 minus 2 is the 8 becomes a 7. 10 minus 2 is the 8. 7 minus 7 is the 0. Okay. Here more one digit, that is the 8. Bring it down. Here now 88. 88. Now find out the 88 nearest in this table. Last one is the 81. Okay. So how many times 9 is the 81? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 9 is the 81. So 8, 9 9s are 81. 8 minus 1 is the 7. 8 minus 8 is the 0. Okay. Now write divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay. Divisor equal to 9. Quotient how much quotient? 889. Remainder is 7. So now write principal. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the principal. So divisor. What's the divisor here? 9. Quotient 889. Remainder 7. So first of all these two multiply. After this one add. Okay. 889 into 9. Final. 9 9s are 81. So 1 here. 8 carry. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 8 90. So we have 0. 8 here. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 8 is the 90. So 80. 72, 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 8 is the 80. So now 8001 plus 7. Now add this 7. 1 plus 7 is the 8. 0 0 8. So 8008. Okay children, we got the dividend. Here how much the dividend here? 808. 800. Okay children, write in your notes and practice well. Okay children, bye children.